New in Stella 3.6, we've added a feature that helps you to better show your models to users of your interface. It starts just like normal using the Model View widget, and I'm going to size it to the page. But now we've enhanced the capabilities of giving the user control over the visible region. So we're going to allow the user to scroll what structure is visible, and then we're going to allow users to navigate into modules. We can then also include equations and units into our model view widget to help our model be more self-documenting. So now when I go to show this model to my end users, they can, for instance, double click into the environment module, double click into the climate module, double click into the temperature module, and see the full stock and flow structure, and hover over any one of the equations in the model in order to see the equations, the units, or any documentation.